Rangers just busted a $20 million parrot smuggling cartel in the heart of the jungle, and the people behind it will shock you. Early at dawn, helicopters swooped in, catching traffickers red-handed with crates stuffed full of rare, endangered parrots worth thousands each. But here's the twist. The cartel's mastermind was a respected wildlife official, paid off to let smugglers slip rare birds out of the country. These parrots were shipped worldwide to collectors who'd do anything for an illegal pet. Authorities rescued over 200 birds and arrested 10 people, including the official himself. Did you ever expect a wildlife protector to turn criminal? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.